5, 6, 7, 8.
Birds and bees and all the flowers and trees, fishes on the line. Girls and guys and yellow butterflies sing hello summertime. A homemade boat and a river to float with nothing on our mind. Summer moon above, two people in love singing hello summertime, summertime.
Laying back in the sun.
Yes, summertime.
And the summertime fun.
It's a time for two, just me and you and the summertime. Swing from a limb, drop in for a swim. Hey, the water sure looks fine. Ain't nothing wrong, just floating along, singing hello summertime. Summertime grins, lots of good friends, we're all feeling fine. Watch the sun go down, hear the summer sounds, singing hello summertime, summertime.
Laying back in the sun.
Yes, summertime.
And the summertime fun.
It's a time for two, just me and you and the summertime. Summertime.
Laying back in the sun.
Yes, summertime.
And the summertime fun.
It's a time for two, just me and you and the summertime.
This dance is Hello Summertime, choreographed by Peter Jones and Alan Lockwood. It's a 32 count full line dance. Section 1 starting with the right foot, scuff, step, rocking chair. Section 2, side touch, coaster, step, hold. Section 3, side touch, coaster, step, hold. Last section, cross, step back, turning a quarter right, side, cross, side together, walk forward, right, left. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.